So, we are in the middle of Interpack, and I'm together here with our booth with Ron van Hilst from Cargill. Thanks for coming by. Maybe as a short start, could you introduce us yourself? What is your position within Cargill, and also maybe what is Cargill?
Yeah, my name is Ron van Hilst. I work now for Cargill for a little bit more than 11 years. My function is Global Technology Lead, and with that I'm responsible for all kind of machines, design, but also new technical innovations. And Cargill is the biggest private-owned company in the world with about 160,000 people around, and we are doing businesses predominantly food service and business to business in poultry, in cacao and chocolate, in sugar, in protein, in starch and sweeteners, and in animal and nutrition.
Wow, it's interesting. So I think you come here with a kind of an expectation, right, from your daily work, what the discussions are within Cargill in terms of packaging. So first of all, my question, what was this expectation? Why do you come to Interpack? And then was it addressed? What are the discussions, let's say, on the aisle, on the floor?
Yeah, the main reason why I come over to Interpack was I needed a couple of top-to-top meetings with some suppliers of us. And we tried for more than 1 year and it was not possible. And then we found out they were all here at Interpack. So we thought, okay, let's use that opportunity. So that was my main objective. Yes. And the second one is I'm always interested in new technologies, new innovations and that kind of thing. So then I wander around and with an open eye and an open ear to see what is new, what could be interesting for Cargill.
So, of course, for me, watttron is also an interesting topic.
For sure,
right?
yeah.
So, let's say from your topics you have in mind, where watttron comes in. So the digital heating, what can it solve for you? What can it bring to your business?
As you know, it was a long trip so far. We are developing for, I think, 5-6 years now. And I really believed in this technology from start. Not only in the technology, but predominantly for your IQC system. For me, that is the real unique selling point where the added value is for Cargill. Why? Because first of all, we are now in the transformation from people reduction, quality improvement, and environmental challenges.
Yeah.
And I think that digital sealing or digital heating, I have to say, because thermal forming is the same, will tick all these boxes. And last but not least, what we also see over the last couple of years is data collection and data analysis is crucial for the future. And also that watttron have a tick in the box. So for me, if I look at Cargill at the moment, it is the most important innovation we are rolling out at the moment globally.
Sounds interesting. Looking a little bit ahead, where do you see the cooperation watttron and Cargill? What are your expectations for the future?
Yeah, what we are trying to do now is we have a lot of initiatives rolling to prove the technology in the different our technologies, and we are almost there. When that has been done, it is time to roll it out over Cargill globally, and that will be a challenge logistically, right? But that is for me, that is the next step.
Perfect. So you have us on our side. We will try our best to scale and to support.
What is funny to share, I think, is when we started this trip, I had to convince and argue with my colleagues across the world. Now they call me asking, is digital sealing an option for us? So we really changed the mindset of people. It is all accepted and recognized what the benefits can be for Cargill, and that's nice. That's good.
Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome.
Have a nice few days here at the Interpack, and let's continue this work.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.